How to get $150 Vans promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Vans promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Vans. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. Once you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can just scroll and check 20% off, 30% off, $20 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then you can click on Redeem at Vans. You will be directed to the official website of Vans. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Vans. This way, you can easily get up to $150 Vans working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.